Welcome back to the channel. I have a new microfiber mop to look at today. It's by Advenfit, and my experience with these sort of mops is they tend to be too small and flimsy, but this seems like a very good sturdy mop. So stay tuned. Here's the box that it came in. As I said, it's by Advenfit. Got it from Amazon. This comes with 3 microfiber mop pads. One, it comes already on the mop, and then there are 2 extras. These are washable, they're very eco-friendly. One side is the green microfiber, feels very soft and thick. The other side is cotton. This does feel like a very sturdy mop. And one thing I like about it is that it has a telescoping handle. It goes from 46.4 inches from the floor to the top to 51.6. And there's how you adjust it. So I guess that's the 46.4 inches from mop to the top of the handle, and then up to 51.6 inches. That way you can individualize your mopping experience. Hey. And as you can see, it's a very pleasant lime green color. And I think that having the reusable pads does make it a much greener product. So I do have a Swiffer that I've used for some time that has the disposable sheets, and I want to show you a comparison. So here, of course, is the new Advenfit, and here's the Swiffer. And you can see the pads kind of flopping a little bit already. The sheets tend to fall off, and they're not reusable. It's just flimsier, the handle's not adjustable, and it doesn't cover nearly as large an area. Okay, so I actually forgot the size of the mop, the surface area the mop had. So I'm measuring it. I didn't write it down. And I don't see it on the box. It's 15 inches by 7 inches. So that's a very generous size. And just as a comparison, the Swiffer, just the Swiffer measure. I don't know if they make these in other sizes or not. It's about 10 inches by about 5 inches. So a much larger surface, and that will, of course, cut down on your cleaning time. So I also have used, oh man, this looks, seen better days. So this wet Swiffer. So this uses the disposable pads. This is good for getting up dust and hair. And then this, which doesn't have a pad on it right now, I have used for the wet mopping. I'll tell you what I don't like about the Swiffer. It takes batteries, they do run out. Having the cleaning fluid on there makes it heavy. Now, for the Advenfit, I mentioned that this is a wet-dry mop. So, obviously, the pad, microfiber pad, you know what? I've already picked something up just here in the kitchen. We have a dog and a cat, so there's a lot of hair around. You can take the pad and soak the pad to wet it beforehand, but I'll tell you what I think is a better idea is just using a spray bottle as you go along. And you can put the fluid, whether it's water or cleaning fluid. I wouldn't be using Windex normally, but that's just what I had handy. You can just spray where you want. Now the mops that have the built-in spray tend to kind of go all out in weird directions, and they're hard to target. It's like I see something here that I want to get up, so I can target that area. So I've got some big hairballs on the floor right now. Now this has the flexible handle attachment, so you can get way up under stuff. That makes it very nice. It's an area that's difficult to clean. I'm not very systematic in my mopping, but it does make it easier with a larger surface than it does using this Swiffer with that much smaller surface. So, and this is the Swiffer is what I'm used to for this. I find that the Swiffer, and I'm sure we'll find that this is very effective along the hardwood floors that I have where they get little hairs. And then the sun comes in the afternoon and you can just see all the dust and hairs. Let me see if this is picked up. Yeah, this is picked up quite a bit so far, and I've just been mopping around in the kitchen for a minute or two. Now, as I mentioned, to turn this into a wet-dry mop, you can start with the pad wet, but I prefer just to get a spray bottle, and I might even use just water or a highly diluted cleaning fluid and just spray it. And it makes the mop much lighter when you don't have this big jug of fluid on the back like that. You can just use whatever you want. So I haven't yet changed the pad on this. This pad came already on the mop, and then there were the 2 extra pads. So that's an important thing. How easy is it to change? Is it a finger pinching issue? Is it difficult? So let me give it a try. So, this just lifts up there. Very easy. In fact, there's even little slots. So it's not difficult to change the pad. I thought it might be something that involved getting your fingers pinched or something like that. So to put a clean pad on, you just press these sides down. And as with most mops, this has a loop or hole at the top of the handle so that you can hang it if you like. If you're organized and like to hang your brooms and mops in a closet or something. So that's a look at the Microfiber Mop by Advenfit. Please check the description section below for more information, a link to the product, and any updates. Appreciate your likes and comments. Thanks for watching.